Have you ever wondered how to create interesting Impressionist photographs? My name is Eva Polak, and today I want to talk to you about dogs in motion. To achieve that, you need a camera, lens, and of course, dog in motion. As always with Impressionist photography, our aim is to convey mood, feeling or emotion. So, if a dog that you're photographing is running, try to convey a sense of speed. If it's playing, aim to capture sense of joy. Set your camera to shutter speed priority. You can start with a 1/10 of a second and then adjust the shutter if necessary. I'm sure you will enjoy the challenge, experiment and have fun. I would love to see your results, so post them on our Facebook group. Thank you for watching and see you next time!